You can guess where I am today. Guess the workshop. I'm here for some more SRAD surgery. Now, it's less than 10 days till Suzuki Live at Cadwell Park this year. It's suddenly crept up. You know those dates that crept up? You go, sugar. I've got to go and fix the bike. I haven't touched it. We started up months, I think about 3 months ago. But I'll go and I promised myself I'll get it ready for Suzuki Live. 2 days of Suzuki's in the UK. The only real kind of Suzuki fest in the UK. There's no way I'm missing it. So let's go and see if it starts. I'm not going to get my hopes up too much.
Right, go away from that bike.
Hello, friend.
Hello. It's Greek gems today.
You do look a bit Greek, actually, yeah. You have a nice holiday, mate?
Lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a cold though.
Have you?
But it's alright, I got some homemade quiche.
Have it? Oh, that looks good.
I tell you what, it tastes good.
Is it actually homemade?
Yeah. She made it this morning.
Has it got ham in?
No.
What, no, meat-free, is it?
Yeah, it's vegetarian.
Oh, okay. Very, very Greek, isn't it, that?
Yeah, with organic meat with my own chicken eggs.
Oh, is it? Is it?
From my own chickens.
Have you eaten any of your own chickens yet?
No, but will you run one over?
That's not funny, sorry. Do you think the SRAD's going to start?
If we put some petrol in it and put the background
Is he taking a picture out of it again?
there was hardly anything in it.
Is he taking a bit?
How much did you put in it last time?
Quite a bit.
Will it be in there then?
He's taken it out. I don't remember. Why is
Is
it?
that your key?
Is that my key? I think it is, isn't it?
I don't know.
I don't remember it being that long. That's not my key. Right there?
Yeah. Oh, I know, mate. How are you doing?
Yeah, Rad, you?
Miss you, all right.
Yeah. I think everyone's been missing you.
I was.
Got something to attend to? Everyone's been missing you by the look of it as well.
When we were up at Pembury, this chap come over. He went, "Are you Derek?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "I seen you on 4-4." He said, "I said, oh, have you?" "Yeah." He said, "Nice to meet you." I thought, oh well, there we go.
Fame at last, nice.
Yeah, it was very good.
Pat, I can't find my key, the SRAD key. He said it's somewhere near his toolbox.
Who told you it was near a toolbox?
Will.
You winding you up.
It's not in there.
Sure.
Yeah. How many blokes does it take to find a key? Off for a great start. Can't find the key.
Get on,
Give us some choke, give us some choke, give us some choke. Oh my word. Oh, you little beauty. Woo! Sounds sweet as that. Hey! What's all that smoke?
It's just a bit of on it.
Oh, I've missed that rear end.
Thank you very much.
And the bikes. If you, like me, are bored of working on old bikes and want a new bike for next to nothing, then go ahead to Apex 66, link in the description. They've got a lovely Ducati 916 Proposto. I think it's just $3.99 or $2.99. And ending tonight, so if you're quick and you're watching this video tonight, then there is a Triumph Daytona 765 Moto 2 limited edition. Go and check them out, link in the description. What are we doing then, Rick?
I'm the biggest idiot there is. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you need to go around here. If you're going to put the front mud guard on it,
Yeah.
right, you need to find some bolts and nice fittings and that. We've got some
In the
washers
fitting
over
station.
there with some nice little noses on them that fit inside the holes
Okay.
of there, so it holds all of them.
Yeah.
But go around, do a nut and bolt check on everything.
Yeah.
Some of it wants cleaning. Obviously, you've had a bit of a scat attack here.
Yeah. Crows left some scat.
Yeah. You got you
Where are the
mirror.
wing mirrors? Yeah, I mean these are. This was before we even started this job. I was like, these are coming off. So do you know where they are, Rick?
I think they'll be over
Yeah.
that area there,
Yeah. Okay.
near the canteen area.
Okay. Lovely.
So yeah, just do that. Go around. Some of the bolts are a little bit grubby dubby, so we just want cleaning. Lift the tank. Just be mindful. It's only been 2 years
Yeah.
being pushed in and out, but it started
Yeah. I couldn't believe that.
on the button.
Yeah.
Battery charged.
Yeah.
We never even touched it.
Yeah.
Bosh, have it. Yeah, I got some indicators that go on the side somewhere. They're probably in the box,
Okay.
so we can change them around. It's just little bits. Afternoon, we'll have it sorted.
Right. mud guard first. Right, he's on lovely, fits lovely. So this is a Pyramid motorcycle accessories, can't say plastics anymore, motorcycle accessories item which they kindly sent. I mean, it's a sturdy old puppy. It's certainly not a carbon fibre item, but I tell you what, once it's sprayed out, it doesn't look too bad, being white. It doesn't look too bad, but obviously this whole bike has to be sprayed, and it's such a rush job. I don't have time. I haven't had time to wipe my arse properly, let alone do these kind of luxuries, getting a bike ready for an event. But yeah, obviously it's supposed to be sprayed, but at least most things will be ready to ride. It's got to be safe to ride. That's the main thing. So I need to find some fittings for this, which shouldn't take too long. Cap screws, socket button. No.
Yeah, look.
No.
This is proper fashionable gear.
No.
This is where it's at, mate.
No.
You need to get this. Look,
Absolutely.
Look, there's a disc bolt there, one.
No.
Really?
James, no. No. Thank you, but no.
They're really tasty as well.
Found some nice little special washers. So obviously they just slot in there. Lovely. Oh, well they will do. Go in the hole first, which we all like. And then job's a dream. Here's one I made earlier. And there we are. Fits a dream. Looks alright as well. It's not a nasty primer. It's a decent finish. So it looks. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right. Next step. Got to find some. Pretty useful. We need some caliper bolts. What's going on here then? Oh, we got a. You give me a dust off.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, you legend. Derek, I think I love you.
I think that's glue on there, so I'll get some stuff and get
Where,
it
I
glue
don't
on.
think it's oh that.
That's glue, I'll get
Yeah.
that off.
You reckon?
Yeah.
That's bird shit. That.
Bird shit?
That's bird shit. Yeah.
How often do you have to do that?
Wow.
What was her name? Does she do a charge for it or what?
I reckon you're gonna be in for a treat next weekend. Whoa! Watch out, Derek.
Yeah.
William, do you know where my wing mirrors are?
Wing mirrors.
Yeah.
Bingo wing mirrors.
Bingo wing mirrors. Yeah. Do you know where they are?
Yeah, box.
Do you? Oh, you know. Oh, thank fuck for that. I mean, thank goodness for that. And here we have the greatest spotted William Holland, known for his fighting, headbutting, and eating. You got him? Oh, you beauty. Thanks, Willie.
It does.
Beauty. Thanks, Willie Bun.
Apart from their two left-handed ones.
Are they actually?
Your face.
Cheers. Do you want the box? Anyone want a free box? Box? Anyone want a box? Box? Right, let's get the. I've been waiting. How long have I owned this bike? Is it 2016?
It's been here about 2 years.
Yeah, so.
3 years?
No, but I mean, actually, originally. Oh. They're nice, aren't they?
Oh,
they are nice. Yeah, I've been waiting to get these off since I bought the bike. Is it 2016? Did I read about that? 17. So 7 years I've had it.
Happy bike.
Oh, hang on. Someone's on the phone. I reckon it looks better without the mirrors on than it there.
Well, the trouble is you can't see what's happening behind you, can you?
Wow.
Do you not bother with that?
Nah, just focus on what's in front.
Nobody's going
Hopefully nothing.
Nobody's going to get past you, are
No,
they?
exactly. It's like you. Same mentality, isn't it?
Oh, thanks, Bubs.
Don't she look good? I've been waiting a very long time to get rid of these faux carbon, and I cannot tell you. Some people will understand, but I cannot tell you how good this is going to feel when I throw these in the bin. That's absolutely beautiful. See, Derek, I didn't even notice it. I just thought it was just shit. But it's obviously got a sticker on, isn't it, Derek?
Yeah.
It's got a sticker on there, and he's after nearly 7 years of having this bike, it's off. We've got some gleam in it. Look at that.
Got rid of the glue.
Are you not high?
Yeah, I'm on this block here.
I mean, this compound stuff you're knocking out. I tell you what, it's pretty tasty, isn't it?
Not too bad. I'm trying to cut back on it a bit.
Stop arguing, please, gent. Stop. Just chill out, okay?
Wait for somebody to clarify whether I'm right.
Look at this. For the first time ever, we got working wingers that don't look like carbon shite. I still can't go over that screen. I apologise. I still can't go over the screen. I'm sorry. I can't do anything about it at the moment. Pyramid are going to send us another Ermax, so that'll be on soon. But aesthetically, I'm very pleased. How about you, Dare?
I'm quite impressed, really.
What do you reckon, Andrew?
Coming up well.
Yeah.
Looking better.
Looking better. There we go.
Oh, there's no doubt about that. Looking better.
Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. This is a temporary solution. Just don't judge me. Trying to get stuff, standard OE stuff for an SRAD is becoming harder and harder. These are classic bikes now. Everyone wants one. Who wouldn't? And yeah, it's tricky. So for the moment, just to get it through the MOT, I bought some $8.99 jobs, and they'll get us through. What are you doing, Dave?
I'm just polishing up here to get rid of some of these.
You're not polishing the grips, are you?
Yeah, I put some saltwater salt on there, just make them a little bit more tasty.
Okay.
That'd be alright, won't it? Won't make any difference.
Yeah.
You think it will? Yeah.
What, you just
I'm
polishing
just
your
polishing the rod.
Yeah.
And the gear link seems like the knuckles has lost his connection.
Ah.
Okay, so that's it's a good job found that. Otherwise, you'd be out riding and he'd have fell off.
I'd be wheeling over the mountain.
As easy as that.
Oh, shit house. Oh. It's all going so well, Derek. It was all going so well.
Well, it's still going well.
Well, yeah.
It's just it.
That's a flipping pain in the cot. That. That's bad.
Well, that's just
That's scuppered the plan.
That's the old deal, checking it over.
Yeah.
Then you find these things rather than get it on the road and it happen on the road.
eBay.
Was it?
What we saying, Dr. James?
Well, it's what they call in the trade as fooked.
Fooked, mate.
It's fooked, mate, it is. Right, what we're going to do, I'm not going to piss around with this worn out Suzuki stuff.
Right.
We'll take this off of here.
Yeah.
Take this off of here. I'll grind the back of this off.
Put a nut and bolt for it.
No.
No?
I'll take this off here because it's unscrews.
Yeah.
And I'll put a rose joint on there with just a little nut and bolt.
That's what I meant. A nut and bolt for that. Yeah.
You trying to catch me out?
Yeah.
Because you're doing all right.
All right. Sorry.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Other than that, it's just leave it and let it fall off later on.
Over the mountain.
Whoa, hang on a minute. Whoa.
Wee, woo,
I'm the
woo.
instigator of the problem.
You're a lot.
Yeah.
You're a lot. You're other than that.
I instigated the
Thank
problem.
goodness he's only part
You
time.
reminded me then of that film with Rocky Balboa.
Yeah.
It's doing grinder.
Oh God.
This is interesting to watch. Oh yeah.
He got it.
Yeah, he done it. He used the power of Grey Force and everything on it.
Grey Force.
Yeah.
Grey Star. You're not just a pretty face, are you?
I tell you what, you got the job. Start next Tuesday.
Did I not tell you I'm on holiday?
So we're not going to eBay. We're doing it the hard route. Oh, didn't want that anyway.
No.
Hey?
Well, nothing.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, that is enough for today. I've got to go and pick the kids up. And yeah, next time you see the bike though, I'll be riding it here because James is going to give it an MOT. And I'm going to test it on the road first because that's probably the safest thing.
He's trying hard over, he's pumping it.
He's pumping it.
Pumping it.
Oh! Fucking hell. Still got to put up with it. Yeah, so MOT next week, and then the next time you see it, I'm going to be riding it on the road. So fingers crossed. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching. Love you.